Expand the domain for the users or groups you want to assign secure points for. Click on the user or group. In the Security console, expand each applicable header. Check off the box to the left of each individual secure point to add that setting, or each header to add all secure points under that header. Changes will not save until Apply has been clicked. Click Apply once done, then click OK. We will remove secure points from a user. Click on the Users tab and expand the domain. Then select a user. In the Security console, expand the header and uncheck individual secure points, or uncheck each header to remove those secure points. Once done, click Apply and then OK.